Hi friends, DK this side. Friends, we Indians are quite fascinated about buying gold. And more so, Indian women are quite fascinated, too much passionate about buying gold. But they buy jewelries. So in this video, we will talk about digital gold. What is digital gold? How digital gold is different than buying the gold in physical forms? What was the necessity for a digital gold? Like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for updates. Let's begin our discussion on investing in gold. To start with, let us first understand what are the ways in which we can invest in gold. So number one is very obvious. In physical form, we buy the gold. Second one is digital gold or ETF. So ETF is nothing but the exchange traded gold. And another way of investing in the gold is sovereign gold bonds. Now let us focus on understanding what are the advantages and disadvantages of each type of investing. Before we dive into the subject, a word of caution for you. There are several mobile applications today which are in play, which motivate you to buy digital gold. But you should be very clear about the source from where you are buying the gold, because the source has to be trustworthy. Simple rule of understanding is, whenever somebody is trying very hard to sell you something, you should take adequate precaution to find out the authenticity of that source. Let us start with the investing in the physical form of gold. The physical form of gold broadly is bought in shape of jewelries. The moment you buy gold in jewelry form, you have to pay the making charges, which is around 15 to 20%. So for example, if you have invested 1 lakh rupee in buying a jewelry, you end up by paying around 1.2 lakhs rupees, including the making charges. Besides that, you have to pay the applicable GST. So the day you invest 1 lakh rupee into gold and you have bought it at 1.2 lakhs rupees, which means you start your investing with a loss of 20,000 rupees. There are other disadvantages too in buying the gold in physical form or investing in gold in physical form, like risk of theft, risk of impurity. When you want to sell, you have to pay the melting charges. So eventually you get the lower price. And there is a buying limit also. You cannot invest in 100, 200 or 500 rupees in gold. You have to buy minimum 1 gram of gold, which will cost you at the present cost something around 5,000 plus rupees. And then there is no regular income on the gold which you hold in physical form. The true definition of any asset is that it should give you a regular income. Like you buy a flat and rent it out, it yields you a regular rental income. Or you buy in a stock, it can give you a regular dividends. So something like gold, which is locked in the physical form with you, does not give you a regular income. By now, you might have understood as to what was the necessity for an asset like digital gold. The biggest advantage of digital gold is something like, you don't have to bother about its security or safety of the asset you buy. It is something like, today if I want to make you a payment of rupees 2,000, I can digitally transfer 2,000 rupees to your bank account without even looking at the cash or going to the bank or collecting the cash. Similarly, in digital gold, if you buy a digital gold from a particular company, it is the botheration of that company to take care of the security of your gold, because they are storing the gold in their warehouse. And even something goes wrong with the warehouse, then warehouse is properly insured. So you don't lose anything in digital gold. However, you have to take care only from where you are buying the digital gold. It has to be an authentic source. So digital gold addresses to a large extent the many drawbacks of buying a physical gold or investing in the physical gold. Like in digital gold, one can buy with 100 rupees, 200 rupees, or 500 rupees. Easy liquidity. Anytime you want to buy, anytime you want to sell, you can sell it at a click of a button. It is just like in mutual fund. The company which is selling you the digital gold may secure the gold against the sale of the digital gold in their warehouse, and 1 gram can be in the name of 5 people who have bought it. Yes, GST is applicable here, and it also does not give you the regular income. That is why the concept of sovereign gold bond was launched. So now let us talk about investing in sovereign gold bond. What are the advantages of sovereign gold bond? First, GST is not applicable in sovereign gold bond. Number two, it offers a regular income like 2.5% interest over the market price of the gold annually. At the same time, it offers the benefit of appreciation in the gold price. It comes with 8-year lock-in to redeem benefits from Reserve Bank of India. Redemption process is, however, very simple, and it is online. And if you redeem after 8 years, there is no capital gain tax. That does not mean it is compulsory to be there for 8 years. You can get out of it even before 8 years from the stock market. However, if you get out of it before 8 years, you have to pay the capital gain tax. For example, you invested 50,000 rupees in sovereign gold bond. After 8 years, it becomes say 1 lakh rupee. So you need not to pay capital gain tax on the appreciation which you have received. But if you exit in say 5 years time or 6 years time, then you are required to pay the capital gain tax. Another way of investing in gold is through gold ETF. There are several asset management companies who have listed their gold ETF on our stock exchanges. So you can buy and sell instantly through your trading account. And once you buy the gold ETF, it is delivered to you in the Demat account. This is another easy way of investing in gold, where the buying and selling is very instant. When the market is open, you can do it online from your trading platform. Gold ETF is nothing but it tracks the price of the gold. So if the gold price appreciates, your ETF will also go up. So friends, give a lot of thumbs up to this video, share this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell so that you remain updated all the time. Be in touch with the channel. We'll come up with several other tutorial videos. Finance with DK.